Today we want to continue with this topic, simple equation. And the subtopic under it today is when we have unknown on both sides. If an equation has unknown terms on both sides of the equal signs, what we need to do is to collect the unknown terms on each side. We bring them together, then we solve. Let's solve this equation. Number one, we have 7a is equals to 3a plus 20. 7a and 3a, they are like times. So we are going to collect like times. So we are going to have 7a is minus 3a is equals to 20. 7a minus 3a is going to give us 4a is equals to 20. Then the next step is to divide both sides by 4. So we are going to have 4a over 4 is equals to 20 over 4. 4 will eliminate 4. Then our a is equals to 5. Number 2, we have 5n is equals to 12 minus n. So we are going to collect like times. And when minus n comes to the other side of the equation, it's going to be plus. So we are going to have 5n plus n is equals to 12. 5n plus n will give us 6n is equals to 12. Then the next step is to divide both sides by 6. So we are going to have n is equals to 12 over 6. N is equals to 2. Then question 3. We have 3k plus 1 is equals to 5k plus 7. What we need to do here is to collect like times. Collect like times. 3k and 5k are like times. So we are going to bring 5k to this side. So we are going to have 3k minus 5k. And plus 1 and plus 7, they are like times as well. So we are going to have plus 7 here. And by the time we take this plus 1 to the other side of the equation, we are going to have minus 1. 3k minus 5k will give us minus 2k. Plus 7 minus 1 will give us 6. And our k will be minus 6 over 2. So k is equals to minus 3. Let's solve question 4. We have 2m is equals to 7m plus 6. We are going to collect like times. Collect like times. And by the time we collect like times, we are going to have 2m minus 7m is equals to 6. 2m minus 7m will give us minus 5m is equals to 6. Then the next step is to divide both sides by minus 5. So we are going to have minus 5m over minus 5 is equals to minus 6 over 5. Somebody might ask, why do we put this minus in the numerator side? That's the best way to write it. You can't have minus in the denominator side. So this minus will eliminate itself. Then 5 will also eliminate each other. So m is equals to minus 6 over 5, which will give us minus 1 whole number 1 over 5 if we leave our answer in a mixed fraction. Let's solve question 5. We have 5x minus 4 is equals to 2x plus 11. So we are going to collect like times. Collect like times. And by the time we collect like times, we are going to have 5s. When 2s comes to the other side of the equation, it's going to be minus 2s. Then we are going to have 11. By the time minus 4 goes to the other side, it's going to be plus 4. So we are going to have 5x minus 2s, which will give us 3s. 11 plus 4 will give us 15. So x is equals to 15 divided by 3. And our answer will be 5. So I want to encourage you to try this. Solve the equations below. So you are going to solve number 6, which will be your own number 1. You have 18 minus 5x is equals to 2f plus 4. Then you can also add this. 10k minus 3 is equals to 5k plus 12. So solve these two questions and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.